Hello, this is video for somebody who is fixing a busted uh, 360 vision camera connector on Infinity Q50. The wiring diagram, I couldn't find a good wiring diagram, and then this is the original cover of the original harness. This is the original harness of the bumper, but this part was gone, so I found another plug. Okay, that's how it's supposed to be. Red goes to white, black goes to purple, green goes to green. This is a shield wire, no color, goes to black. If white wire goes to red, and everything works. This is a factory connection. They go by the color. Side marker. Make sure that you um, keep the same position of the wires when you replace this connector, because this is a red white. It's not gonna work the other way. But the thing with the diagram, this camera, for some reason, they keep changing the color of the wires on every connection. I mean, the color of the wires is the same, but it connects to the same wires, but in a different spots. That's the whole problem with this car. This is the original.